Heartbeat. User can use the heartbeat function to monitor the status of all the registered devices in the construction site. To turn on the heartbeat function, user can log into the DAR app, select a specific contract, and under the setting page, user can turn on the heartbeat function. The device will send out the heartbeat signal in every 15 minutes. And then user can log into the CWG under Admin Management, Heartbeat. User can click on the search button and list out all the contracts and device status. Besides the contract information, the interface will also list out the name of the registered device under each contract. And under the monitoring field, user will be able to see the heartbeat setting of each device. Green tick icon means the heartbeat signal is turned on, while gray tick icon means the heartbeat signal is turned off. User will also be able to see the last good list upload time, last good list download time, and last heartbeat signal time. Every time when the heartbeat signal is sent out, the device will also check with the cloud platform and see if there is any updates on the good list. If the heartbeat function is turned on in the device, and the device cannot send out the heartbeat signal for whatever reason, the system will generate a notification email to the user at 9 AM every day.